Good morning. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a medical assistant here at Dr. Cash's office. I work all of her minimally invasive radiofrequency technologies. I'm 28 years old and I have very sensitive skin. Today I'm using Transform MD by Dr. Camille Cash. You can find all these products online at 𝐬𝐸𝐞𝐯.com. I'm using her gentle cleanser to reduce some of the redness from my acne bumps and some psoriasis plaques. I gently rub it into the skin with warm water to remove any excess lipid buildup. I don't go to bed with my makeup on, but if I did, I would use the purifying cleanser in the morning. Right now, I'm applying an antioxidant on my face and on my neck. If you live in a big city like Houston, you know that the air is super polluted. Antioxidants block that free radical formation in your skin and damaging that barrier. This cream makes my skin feel super bright, super yummy. I just like how it glides on so easily. After I use my antioxidant, I will apply my moisturizer. I'm using 𝐬𝐴 Replenishing Cream. I do not neglect the neck. This is a hyaluronic moisturizer with 5 natural ceramides. 1 to 2 pumps is all you need. After I apply my moisturizer, I'm going to use my sunscreen. I always tell patients, keep it by your toothbrush because you will not forget to apply it. It's really important for anti-aging purposes that you use the sunscreen. 1 to 2 pumps goes a long way. I really like Dr. Cash's sheer sunscreen because it blends in so well. Check her products out online.